I've just spent the day with Joe Davis on one of his courses, and I must say how impressed I am. I've been in sales and marketing all my working life. I've run training courses, but never so efficient as this. Joe's a very good presenter. Not only that, the product he's selling is first class.
I was today in a workshop for the Recruitment Agency. I really enjoyed the presentation, it was very informative.
Traveled all the way from Birmingham to get this experience, such a lovely experience. It was very informative to me, and Joe, I felt that connection when he speak, straightforward with what he was saying. He didn't give you the impression that, okay, it's gonna, by the snap of the finger, your business is gonna be like booming. Yeah, he let you know you have to put in some work.
Yeah, the workshop is I find it very educative and informative.
I would like to advise people who are struggling now to find a job, to seek this opportunity and come to the workshop and learn something, and maybe can find a way to set up their lives.
He also has like a lot of good connections and stuff like that, which is, I think personally, would be beneficial to me going forward in setting up a company for myself. And I hope to see him again in the future and keep the link and help me to grow.
My son is leaving the army in 3 months. He wants something to come into when he leaves, and I think this may be an opportunity for him, and that's why I really am here and very impressed. So thank you, Joe.
I think I have all the tools now to build it, and look forward to start my own company, my own recruitment company.
It gives you a bit of self-reliance, independence. Yeah, it does. Yeah, as they say, what you put in is what you're gonna get out. So if you do the business and you don't really do any work, you're not going to see any result, just like going to school.
Yeah, it's above my expectations, so because of that I will recommend it.
Yes. Friends, family, on the bus, yeah, I'm going to shout it out like it's the gospel, being honest. I would recommend people to this, and I've been recommending people already via WhatsApp while in class. Yeah, so. And the staff here are really, the hospitality is really good.
And it will make you money, it really will make you money.